What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the another episode of Barber Master. This haircut transformation going to make your day because we have compiled most satisfying and really ASMR haircut and beard transformation. So stick with this video, don't skip and watch till end. Hope you will get the right haircut idea for you. Wow, that was perfect haircut transformation, and this guy. We are moving to another huge transformation, and this is gonna be a most beautiful beard. Oh my god, look at that guy. This guy got me live. Wow. This guy also looking pretty awesome. We are moving to another huge chop transformation, and look at that transformation. Oh my god. Yeah, you have to book your appointment with this barber. This little bro is very confused about his haircut. He's very nervous about this result. Bro, chilling out. You got the perfect mid fade. Oh, this is gonna be a big chops. Okay. Oh, that was high skin fade and also known as the undercut. It's now looking pretty awesome on that guy because the undercut is the most famous among the white guys. It's now blacky things. Okay. Yeah. This guy got very rough here. Okay, bro, you got the right haircut right now. Oh my god, this guy got perfect low mid fade with the shape of line. That was cool haircut transformation. I love that type of haircut. It's looking so unreal. Okay, we are moving to another short haircut transformation for black guys. top with a high fade. Yeah, I love that. Okay. Wow. Perfect shape of line. The blend fade with the shape of line. Yeah, I love it. Wow. This barber deserves a reward. Yeah. Okay. This guy got fresh braid and now he's looking for some fade on the sides and see what will happen to the next step after. Wow. Oh my god. You got a perfect skin fade with shape of line. This guy looking pretty awesome. I love that. That was fantastic. I love that type of short haircut. So defined and so precise. I love that. I think we are repeating this haircut because we have already watched the haircut transformation before. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. That was the last haircut, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get update for the upcoming upload.